Hello, everyone! Today, I want to introduce you to our Google Ads ad generator from any URL template. This tool can be found under the Flow Library tab, where you can select the ad generator option. With this tool, you simply input any URL, and Flow will instantly generate several alternative ad copies tailored for your website. These ad copies are designed to be effective and engaging, helping you get the most out of your Google Ads campaigns. All you have to do is copy and paste them directly into Google Ads, and your campaign can start driving traffic and generating revenue in no time. This tool is perfect for anyone looking to speed up their ad creation process and maximize their marketing efforts. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.